Welcome back to Garage Matters. Today we have a project car. Our project car is a 2007 Toyota Camry LE. The issue with this car is it has a blown head gasket. We took it to the shop and they quoted us around $4,000. The car is only worth about $3,800, so rather than having them fix it, we're going to try to attempt to fix the issue ourselves. Alright, let's see how much a head gasket costs for a 2007 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry head gasket. Alright, so we're looking around $48 all the way up to about $92 for a head gasket. They have various kits available. This one looks like it includes the head gasket, exhaust manifold gasket, valve cover gaskets, all the gaskets for $130. But we're trying to save money, so we're gonna go with the cheapest one. Alright, now we need track of progress. This project started on December 5th was when I received the vehicle. I got it for free. Basically, I'm not willing to spend $4,000 to have the head gasket replaced. I think this is something that I can do. It's probably something that you guys can do as well. All it's gonna take is some time. Like and subscribe if you wanna follow me through the journey. End date, we'll leave this blank for now. So quoted at $4,000. We'll see how much money we save by doing this project ourselves and getting this car for free. Alright, here we have it. 2007 Toyota Camry. Free car given to me because they had a blown head gasket. As you can see, she's still really in good condition as far as the bodywork goes. So what we're gonna try to do is replace the head gasket, get this car for free and on the road. Well, over here we do have a JDM Toyota Celica GT4. You guys are gonna have to subscribe and stay tuned for this video. Come back around the front end. Alright, so how do we know it was a head gasket leak? Well, the first sign is when you're driving your car and the car's on, you see white smoke coming out the exhaust pipes. That means you got a bad head gasket. Another sign of a bad head gasket is the car starts to overheat. It's overheating because the coolant is getting low. And it's getting low because inside of here, there's a gasket in between the head and the bottom of the block. That gasket keeps the coolant separate from the oil. So what's happening is the coolant is getting mixed up with the engine oil, draining the cooling level, thus causing the car to overheat. What you can also do is check the dipstick. Pull the dipstick out, the old dipstick. Check it to see if it's milky. If it's milky, that's another sign you got a blown head gasket. Because once again, what's happening, the coolant is mixing in with the engine oil. Another thing you can do is you pop off the spark plugs. And this car's got coil packs, so you pop them out, take the spark plugs out, look down in there, you see water down there or coolant down there on top of the pistons. You definitely know you got a blown head gasket. Alright, so here's where we're at with this project. I've already pulled off the exhaust manifold right here. All these wiring harnesses gotta come off. We'll see if we can keep this alternator on, but I'm gonna do the least amount of work as possible. Separate the head off this block so I can get the head gasket out. Alright, so back behind here, I got this intake manifold. Looks like there's a kind of like plastic covering over this intake manifold. I'm not sure if it's made out of plastic or what. And I also gotta take off this fuel rail back here, and whatever hoses we find back here that needs to be separated from the head in order to get this head off. Alright, so once everything's separated, the head gasket replaced, everything put back on, what we're going to need to do is flush out the cooling system. The cooling system goes into the oil system, mixes with the oil. It's not good for the engine. We'll have to flush the cooling system, same thing with the oil system, flush it, change the filter, make sure there's no more water in the oil system. Main purpose for this car for me is just a project car, work car, play cars over there. Let's see if we can get some focus on this valve stem. You can kind of see some residual fluid down there. Definitely not oil. Take a look down this one. Focus. Alright, she don't want to focus. Alright, if you guys are still interested in joining me on this adventure on how to save a couple of dollars and do this repair on our own, join me next time on another episode of Garage Matters.